frog.
What is amphibians? Amphibians are a class of vertebrate animal which their ability to live in both habitats, water and land. The word of amphibian is come from Greek term amphibios, which meaning living a double life. Included of frog. The habitat of frog are lakes and rainforests. The diet is mostly
What is the meaning of moist? The characteristic frog. The first character is moist. Licin.
Moisturizer.
Jadi
Nah, what likes Scotch Milico? Oh, iya sorry.
Oh itu. It's the name of the lake in Mexico.
Oh.
Okay, so blood snouts. Do you know what the snouts, everyone? Apa itu teman? Moncong.
Moncong.
Blonde itu berarti dia moncongnya itu nggak tajam. Maksudnya moncongnya itu kayak pesawat. Tumpul. Okay. What is gills? In bahasa. Okay. Then what is beetle sac?
Beetle.
Can you tell me what kind of animal is beetle sac? Like an insect? Like an insect, what kind of insect? Because I'm looking for beetle set, but there is no beetle set here in Google. I cannot search for beetle set.
I want to ask, excuse me,
Excuse me, madam. Huh? So it's only beetle. Oh, okay.
excuse me, madam. When I find one of these animal between frog and paddy frog, how do you find the difference?
No. Frog and paddy frog. What's the difference?
No, I mean you cannot. Wait, you cannot see him.
You can, but how?
The difference between his body. Can I see the frog? Paddy frog and frog. Madam, did you just answer my question?
So what's the difference between frogs and paddy frogs?
No, I mean like is the normal frog smaller than paddy frog? Or like so what if I just found a little
Bang,
a little
jualan aku aja nanti lagi bang.
a little paddy frog? So how to find the difference? When I found a frog and then I found a little frog, a little paddy frog.
Okay, let me explain that. Oh, anyone can explain that?
Yes.
Yes, let's start from here.
Can you go to the second slide? What is amphibian? Yes. The introduction.
This one?
Yes. It says in the characteristic, moist skin and live in both water and on land.
Yes.
But with the paddy frog, it says typically small, black, marble eyes, and has darker spots. And so you can differentiate it with black marble eyes and darker spots.
Okay, that's one of the typical characteristic. What else? Jamie?
I wanna ask.
No, I'm not asking first. frogs. I mean, how to differentiate frog and paddy frog. No one?
What? Isn't that concern?
So frog in the first one is frogs in the rainforest, right? And the second one is frog in the paddy field. From the name is paddy frog, so it's in the paddy field, right? Right? Paddy field is the frog that we eat. If you eat sweet if you eat sweet it's the frog that we eat. It's paddy frog. What about the first frog? The first frog in the rainforest. It's the one with the blue, red, and the one that the color is really eye-catching color. The first frog. Yes. The first frog. The frog in the rainforest is poisonous. The frog in the rainforest is poisonous. That's why they have bright colors. And usually they are smaller, really small. If you can see a small paddy frog, then it should be a tadpole. It hasn't become a frog yet. It is. The first frog is as big as a tadpole.
Yes.
So the second frog is the big one.
The big.
If it is already big. Okay. Is that
Changing.
Any question?
no? I mean, is that really explaining?
Yes.
Okay.
Another question. Which frog is doing a camouflage?
Which frog is doing camouflage? The first or the third?
Normal frog or paddy frog? You mean a normal frog?
One and two frog is actually not camouflaging. But the first frog is camouflaging by the color.
How are they camouflaging? From the how? From the paddy frog.
I.
I was going to explain that to you.
I.
Don't say shut up, say quiet please, or please be quiet. Silent please. Use that. No silent.
Or get out?
Okay. Shut up is a little bit harsh. Usually we use it between friends.
The first one is where the next one live. I know
Yes,
it's a lake in Mexico. And which is the name?
Shake, shock, shake, shock, shock.
And there is a teacher around you. Please be quiet or silent.
Do you even know what? Do you even know what?
Yeah, it's anyone for now is silent or quiet.
Yes, it is.
If it is only
Yes, it can. Mississippi. Mississippi.
Yes?
Mississippi.
Huh?
Mississippi.
I know in lakes, but I don't know the name.
Where did it live?
In America.
Mbak, jualannya nanti Bang.
Is this so addictive?
What is the sound diet?
In a lake?
Diets. No habitats.
Oh.
For habitats.
Yes, Joel. Inside the house.
Oh,
Beetle set.
blue swans and
Even more actual.
Plants.
Mosquito and mosquito. Spider. Six, seven.
The initial is M and W. Mosquitoes and
Moscow. Mosquito and dragonfly.
Wow. Willy.
Mosquito, worm, grasshopper,
Bolotok.
what is me?
Be patient, honey.
What animal that has a tiny
Rainforest.
Frog is in rainforest. The axolotl is in Mexico. I forgot the lake. And then the third one is in Southeast Asia.
Everyone is already
Salah sendiri.
applause.
Salah sendiri.
Okay.
Salah sendiri.
Mirip Jovi. Jovi mirip kamu.